Again? Bro, that's gonna look so good! Hey guys, Jake here. Quick little sequential third brake light install for your Mazda Miata. I think this would fit NA and NB. This came all the way from Lithuania from Dan Dak Lights on Etsy. Go check him out. His stuff is awesome. Alright, so to remove the third brake light, you have to look underneath. Now there's two bolts. First you have to remove the middle light, this one, and then you're gonna have to unclip your two license plate bracket lights, which are these, and then fish these out, these right here, fish them out so they're hanging out the main hole. Look in here, and those are the tabs we need to get out. So we're gonna push that in, and you can see it. It's moving. So look at that seal. Oh my god, I didn't know there was a seal in there. Yeah, do it one more time. God, that's gonna look so sick. Cool. Alright, so now we're just figuring out how to open up the encased third light brake housing to put that in there, and then we're good to go. Oh, I got it. You gotta
And then see it like opens like a lunchbox or some shit like that. Now it's like resisting and I don't want to do anymore.
So just undo these two clips right here, right there. And then we're really scared about opening up this hinge because it's literally just plastic, but it does, you can open it a bit to get this out. And then once we get this out, we're going to put adhesive on these two little corner pieces and then put it in here. That should work out really well. A little bit of shoe adhesive, don't do like what I did and like get way too much on the actual housing. I just used a Q-tip, and then you can't see it now, but on the two edges that were flat, I put some adhesive on and then just stuck it in. Next thing I'm gonna do is lightly wet sand this, and I'm gonna just hand buff it. And yeah, that was an old decal from the old owner, and it's like burned into the thing. It ain't perfect, but I mean it's red now. Dude, that looks so good!